in the parking lot of the 12 Apostles right now. The 12 Apostles. Here we are. Wouldn't it be cool to climb up on top of one of them? Looks like that one crumbled.
Yeah, I think there's only 10 now.
Yeah. Oh, we'll keep walking. Walking out to the main viewpoint now. So many people.
Yeah, we're gonna go on the beach.
At the top of the cliff now. Walking back on the boardwalk now. More people. We've just finished up at the 12 Apostles, and we're going to walk to the Gibson Steps to see if we can go down on the beach and get a look at them from below. It says it could take us half an hour to an hour. Getting closer to the shore now. Car parked just over there for the steps, and we're about to go under the road. Woo! Woo! What's so funny, Lauren?
Is that the bandicoot noise?
No. The bandicoot noise is more like, whoa!
Echo!
Echo! Woo! Wow! We're finally walking down the steps. Oh man. Look at all the people down there. We're going down there. On the beach now. There are the steps. Oh man. About as far as we can go on the beach now because the tide's rolling in. But up there on that cliff is where we were earlier at the viewpoint.